What we need now is to understand that Vim doesn't access to the system memory, so we need to install the vim-gtk that is enabled to access to the system memory, to the system register. If I copy this line, for example, let's say I want to copy this line I yelled. Now let's go to the end. If I paste, you see that I paste using the register, but if I here, you see that is some different content in the clipboard. So let's go in normal mode. What we need to here is to sudo apt install vim-gtk, and here we go. Already I installed, but you need to install if you need this stuff, because the register of Vim are separated. So if you want to access, you need the particular method to access. So let's see how to do. Let's enter in visual mode, press W, and copy yield this content, and if I go here, see that is different. If I want to copy this in the system register, we need to use the register. What we need to press double quote plus, the key plus, and yield. It's now I go here, you see that copied into the register. So let's say that to access to the system register clipboard, you need to write double quote plus, and after to put the command, in this case yield, and we are using the system memory. So this is the method to access to the register. Thank you.